Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I'm gonna explain about the project proposal from the subject is Bahasa Inggris Profesi. Project title here is the English Writing Lab, Experimenting with Words and Creativity. Submitted to Nusantara Education Foundation, Education and Innovation Panel, submitted by me, Ina Labiana, and first is about executive summary. The English Writing Lab is an innovative student development program designed to enhance learners' creative writing skills in English through an experimental and collaborative approach. The program transforms traditional writing instruction into an individual laboratory where students can explore narrative, descriptive, and expository writing through live experiments, peer feedback, and reflective learning. Implemented over 6 up to 8 weeks. The project aims to improve writing fluency, foster creativity, and strengthen students' confidence in expressing ideas. Next is background. Writing is one of the most essential yet challenging skills for English learners. Many students face difficulties in expressing ideas coherently and creatively due to limited vocabulary, rigid structure, and a fear of making mistakes. Traditional methods often emphasize accuracy over expression, causing learners to lose motivation and creativity. Recognizing these issues, the English Writing Lab introduced a balanced, hands-on approach combining creativity, collaboration, and structured feedback to cultivate both competence and confidence in writing. Next is about project rationale. This project is grounded in the belief that learning to write is best achieved through active experimentation and reflection. By creating a space for writing experiment, students learn that language is flexible, expressive, and personal. The approaches aligns with communicative and project-based learning principle, ensuring that this project is grounded in belief that learning to write is best achieved through active experimentation or reflection. By providing a space for writing experiments, students learn that language is flexible, expressive, and personal. The approach aligns with communicative and project-based learning and principles, ensuring that writing development becomes meaningful and enjoyable. It also supports institutional goals of promoting 21st century skills, creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration and communication. Next is the program design. Program duration is 6 up to 8 weeks, and one session per week is 90 minutes each. Participants is about 25 until 30 students per class, and facilitators 2 up to 3 with teacher or students mentor. Stage, orientation and pre-test. The activity is introduction and diagnostic writing, and output is baseline writing assessment. Second is writing experiment, and writing short text, narrative, descriptive, expository, and the output is lab writing test. 3 is a peer review workshop, feedback exchange and collaborative editing, improved draft. Next is mini grammar and style session, the targeted micro lessons, the context-based language improvement. 5th is creative publication project, compilation into digital anthology or blog, published works, and 6th reflection and process, evaluation and testing writing progress report. Next is deliverables. By the end of the project, the following output will be produced. First, a digital anthology or class book featuring students' best writing. Second is improvement report based on a grade and most assessment result. Third is certificate of participant for students and facilitators. Fourth is project documentation, photos, reflection, and feedback summary. Next is implementation timeline. So, week 1 is orientation and 4 is writing experiment, 3 cycles. Week 5, peer review workshop. Week 6 is grammar and style sessions. Week 7 is publication and showcase preparation. Week 8 is post-test and reflection session. The budgeting allocation is estimated. The item here is journaling books, stationery, and training materials. This cost is 6 million. And certificates is about 450,000. And a mentor honorarium is about 2% mentor is about 8 million. Media publication is about 500,000, sorry. And the total here is about 15,950,000. Risks and mitigation. There are potential risks, low student participation, technical issues, and digital publication, limited facilitator ability, unequal peer feedback quality. And the impact is reduced engagement, delaying final output, schedule disruption, ineffective learning. And the mitigation strategies use gamified activities and team-based writing tasks, prepare open take-up, PDF, or printed anthology, create substitute, mentor, rotation plan, and provide peer review rubrics and training. Sustainability plan. After the pilot phase, the English Writing Lab will evolve into a regular extracurricular creative writing club, a semester-based writing enhancement course, or an annual open writing workshop. The digital anthology will be continuously updated, becoming both or portfolio and an inspiration for future participants. The closing statement here, the English Writing Lab is more than a writing program. It is a creative journey that empowers learners to think, express, and innovate through language. By mentoring both skill and imagination, this project contributes to developing confident, expressive, and lifelong English writers who are ready to communicate their ideas to the world. So that's all the explaining of project proposal about the English Writing Lab experimenting with words and creativity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.